guys, so it looks like Karlissa is now beefing with her stepdaughter. Now, apparently, Karlissa had said something about her teeth, that her stepdaughter went live and stated that she was pretty upset and she was even crying that Karlissa went on her way to embarrass her on live. Now, she did have more things to say about the whole situation and the beef that she got going on with her stepmom. So we're going to go right now and jump to it.
I've been so hurt for 3 days. I've been crying. If y'all can't see these bags under my eyes. Everything else didn't bother me because I knew it wasn't true. But when she was talking about my teeth, it kind of like hurt my feelings for real. Like I could just cry. Now I'm getting salty because I'm thinking about how she was talking about my teeth that I'm insecure about already. Now when I get my teeth done, now what you gonna say? I ain't never heard I was ugly though, so that's the only thing. She ain't never got on this live and said I was like, I'm about to get my teeth shaved down and get some veneers, y'all. Because I'm just over people talking about my teeth. That shit just made me want to cry. Really about to get all my teeth shaved down. Like, I ain't never had one cavity. My teeth ain't yellow. My breath don't stink. My teeth, I just got an overbite with a gap. But I'm about to get them all shaved down and get me a... I'm about to get them all shaved down and give me some veneers. That's the only thing that she knows was like, everything else she made up. Like, I don't know, she really slept on it and woke up early in the morning to talk about my teeth. I mean, not to talk about my teeth, but to talk about me on her live. Like, that's literally the only thing that she knows is like really touchy to me. That's why she said that. Like, how are you that tall but your teeth look like that? Because I always used to say, I want braces, but I'm scared to get them. Like, she must have thought of that real quick and was like, I think I could get her with this one since, I know everything else is a lie. Okay, Miss Mamas. Y'all give me some ideas of like stuff to get this covered up, please. I can't believe she tried me.
All right, guys, so leave a comment down below and let me know how you feel about Karlissa out here making fun of her stepdaughter's teeth. And now we're going to go and jump into this next scene. Now, apparently, Blueface did an interview. Now, in the interview, he has explained how everything was going with him behind bars. He also stated that he does miss Chris Sean and the kids. And he even stated some situation that had went down, I guess, with the police and him. But he had more things to say about the whole situation. So we're going to go right now and jump to it.
Q&A, everything y'all want to know. Tune in right now. Snapchat. Follow up. Okay.
All right, Blue. So are you in PC?
No, I am not PC. I'm currently in iPower.
Okay. What is the difference between PC, HP, and GP?
PC is a protected custody. That's pretty much when you are opting to tell the jail to protect you from the jail, pretty much. You've already given up your street or gang affiliation and decided to go the square route with things. Nothing wrong with it, nothing at all. Our HP stands for high power. High power is basically when you're a general population and you're doing things like you get caught with a knife, do something to the police, you do something to one of the inmates, pretty much jail inside of jail. So that's what I mean, high power. The general population is basically you just first come to jail, they just throw you in the general population. Amongst everybody, 2-man cell, 4-man cell. Yeah, that's pretty much the difference though. PCs, they shower on different days. HPs, we shower on different days. We're not allowed to interact with each other or be around each other for conflicts and interests.
So the next question that the fans wanted to know is, were Tory Lanez and Soulja Boy in PC?
Yeah, they were actually. But on Tory Lanez, Tory Lanez has always been a recording artist, a professional, he's never really put on any type of street or any type of gang activity. So with all due, he's perfectly so there's nothing wrong with him doing it. But Soulja Boy, on the other hand, he portrays something different.
Was there any other celebrities in there with you, Blue?
This producer named Detail. I guess he got something to do with something. I don't know.
This call is being recorded.
Producer named Detail. I think Polo G's brother is here, around here somewhere. That's all I can think of off the top of my head. Troy Lanez had just left right when I just came in.
So, have you ever gotten in a fight since you've been there?
I wouldn't say no fights. I've had a few little altercations, disagreements with opposing people who don't agree with what I agree with. I may not agree with what they agree with.
Fair enough. Why did you set up a fight with Annalise Chapa if you were going to go to jail?
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Basically, I called his bluff. I knew I wasn't going to jail, and I know he didn't really want to fight. He just wanted to promote his little rap songs or whatnot. So what I did was I created a flyer, posted it, and just as I suspected, I knew he would back out and basically tell everybody that he really didn't want to do that, instead of having the perfect excuse of me going to jail and the fight not being able to happen. So I just played poker with him, called his bluff, made him fold.
Yeah.
In the worst case, I would have just trained in here. We would have fought after I got out. If he didn't bluff or if he didn't fold.
Right.
Yeah. How are the guards treating you in there, Blue?
Oh man, it's a little up and down, man. Some of them fuck with me, some of them don't, but they keep hitting me with the same excuse. And I've had my cell searched probably 4 times. They always show up, bunch of guards outside the cell, tell me not to move, get out. And they basically just tear up my cell. They keep saying, I don't know. Same excuse, but that's cool though. I'm clean. I ain't tripping.
What do you miss the most being inside, bro?
I miss the shower rights. For sure. And my kids as well,
Yeah.
Of course, gotta miss the kids.
Yeah, of course. And have you made any friends while you've been inside? And if so, do you want to shout them out?
Oh yeah, man, I made a lot of great relationships in here. Different gangs, different races. I want to start by shouting out my nigga D-Max from Fire News Hoover. That's my chef, man. He cooking it up. Got him on the payroll. You already know how that go. Shout out my nigga Daddy Thirsty from 6-0, man. I met him in the hole. My bunkie right now, his name is Frank Fred from Friend. Hey, Frank Fred to be exact, B3. He's been thugging right here for a minute. One of my essay partners, named Stomper from 106 18th Street. Shout out him. He was shot. He got to chill a little bit. Oh yeah, Kills. Kills from Hunter. He was on the case of Draco. Shout out to bro. He ended up in the jail. Sure. Day one, he sent me a lot of stuff that I didn't know I was going to need until I needed it. I don't want to forget nobody. Oh yeah, shout out my boy 5-0 from PBL. 750 Dang to be exact. That's my guy right there, man. Who else? I don't want to forget nobody. Oh yeah, Little Suspect, aka Kevin. Trade over. Man, that guy is entertainment. He's been chilling with me. Who else?
This call is being recorded.
I don't want to forget nobody. I'm right here with T Blue from PJ's, man. He got to be cool. He be chilling with me. I don't want to forget none of my close friends that I made real memorable relationships with. So last but not least, I will say, shout out my boy Head Stomp from 6-0. Cool. And Menace from Linux. Last but not least, Menace from Linux, man. All those guys right there, they been right here showing me the ropes. You don't have to be jail. It's my first time. So it's a whole different world right here, man. It's nothing like what I'm used to. So shout out to those guys, man. Freedom guys.
Blue, another question. How's the food inside there?
Oh man, it's terrible. Good thing I got a chef though, man. I get the food, I hand it to him, and he do it up every time. I get good, you know, burritos, quesadillas, nachos, pizza. Shout out my chef, D-Mac, man, I do super. Free that man. He didn't do it. You know, I'm a little bougie right here, you know, I got me a personal chef, so I don't even eat spreads, man. Everything I eat is grilled and hot. But I had a few spreads, I'm not really into cold food like that, so spread is not my favorite.
Fair enough. And, you know, Blue, is there anything else you want to say to the fans, you know, while you're still in there and before you get out?
Oh, yeah, man. Shout out to all the fans. Appreciate all your support. So y'all waiting on me, man. I've been hearing great things about how lame the internet is without me. I appreciate all of that. Just keep my name alive. You already know. Okay.
All right, guys. So this is all the tea that I have for y'all for today. Make sure y'all like, share, and also subscribe. And I'll catch y'all next time with another brand new video. Bye.